father gazing out of the window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praise just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money up this way. He knows how another body lies for the gutter.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Break it down, somebody, let's go.
I seen no rainbows yesterday.